So I'm thinking about rebuilding this. They don't really make this aftermarket. 3 Chevy dogleg. This is the panels that shouldn't be too hard to build. Just a piece of flat plate here, thin strip here, here, a little patching to do on the inside of the door jamb and under here. But the main part will be this. I can build this and then build the metal underneath this little piece down here. This is a good one. Whole car has very little rust overall, but I guess this is a good one. Never mind. But yeah, I'll base it off this. And reverse it for the other side. Plan on redoing it anyways. Plan on shaving this all this trim too, so I can get rid of this. I don't know. I think it might be a good upcoming video. But yeah, you see there's some inside there. I'll let you know.